I'm Chris from Upgraded Points. We're here with Jenny from Marketing at Walt Disney World. Jenny, do you have anything you can tell us about Tiana's Bayou Adventure?
Well, it's going to be one of our newer attractions at Magic Kingdom, where you go on a musical journey or adventure with Tiana, Naveen, our jazz-loving alligator, Lewis, and they're going to have a one-of-a-kind Mardi Gras celebration.
That's awesome. Another new addition to Magic Kingdom. There's something going on at Haunted Mansion. Is that true?
Yes, so recently the Hatbox Ghost has materialized at Haunted Mansion for the first time ever at Magic Kingdom Park. And he appears right by the endless hallway, and so you'll have to make sure you ride that attraction and look out for the Hatbox Ghost.
All right, that's excellent. We'll have to do that. Also new at Magic Kingdom, Mirabelle. Is she doing meet and greets?
Yes. When you go and meet her at her location, you step into the courtyard of the Casa Madrigal. So if you love the movie Encanto, it's a great meet and greet where you go and you can give her a hug, you can get autographs from her, or just take a picture with her.
That's awesome. We love Encanto around here. All right, one more question. Moving over to Hollywood Studios. One of my favorite parks. We've got Tower of Terror. We've got Toy Story Land, Star Wars. What is your favorite ride at Hollywood Studios?
My favorite ride at Hollywood Studios would have to be Toy Story Mania and Toy Story Land, just because I love the competitiveness of it. So you go and you're sitting next to someone else in your little vehicle, and it's like a carnival-style game where you're trying to shoot different things and get different points to see who gets the most at the end.
That's awesome. One of my favorites as well. All right. Thank you very much, Jenny.
Thank you. Have a good one.